Question 27 says OABC is a parallelogram. OA equals to 2A, OC is 3C, M is the midpoint of BC, which means this is A and this is A. And T is the point on OB such that OT to TB is 2:1. You have to find OB in terms of A and C. OB would be OC plus CB, which is 3C plus 2A. That is your OB. Then it says express as simply as possible in terms of A and C, AM. So to find AM, let's draw a line first. This is your AM. Okay. And we know that this is A, this is A. So AM can easily be, just gonna draw an arrow over here to show what the working is. We go from A to O, then we go from O to C, and then from C to M. So that would be negative 2A plus 3C plus A, which is going to be 3C minus A. That is AM. Then I have to find AT. So for AT, let's draw a line again. We know that OB was 3C plus 2A. So which means OT would be 2/3 times 3C plus 2A, and TB would be 1/3 times 3C plus 2A. So to find OAT, we add AO with OT. That's going to be negative 2A plus 2/3 times 3C plus 2A. We simplify that, that's going to be negative 6A plus 6C plus 4A over 3, which can be written as 6C minus 2A over 3. That is 80. Then show that ATM is a straight line. So for us to show that ATM is a straight line, what we're going to do is we're first going to take AM. AM be found as 3C minus A. And if you look at AT, AT was 6C minus 2A over 3. So now if we simplify this, we will have 2C minus 2A over 3, right? So if we look at AM, that is 3C minus A. Or if to make it look simpler, I'm just going to take 2 common over here. So that's going to be 3C minus A. Yeah. So now if we compare AM and AT, AM is basically 2/3 of AT. Not 2/3, sorry. 3/2 of 80. Or in other words, you could say that 80 is 2/3 of AM. Yep. So you can prove it either way and it would show that ATM is a straight line. And with that, we're done with this paper. If you have any questions or confusions, let me know in the comments below and I will help you out. Bye.